Hey guys, today I am going to open the Inside Out chocolate surprises. So let's get started. Before the video, I've opened this up, but I didn't open the egg. So let's go ahead and open. And I opened the angle. So let's see what's inside. It's got egg. Oh, easy! I love egg. Sick. So fun! You can get anything inside. Let's crack the egg open. There we go. And let's see what's inside. Maybe do we get another disgust? Because I already get disgust. I see it green. So let's see what's inside.
Must be.
Oh, I get the policeman.
No, it's
no.
not.
I don't know whose disguise this.
Wow.
In the box, it does not show this guy. See that? See, there's no this guy. Don't have that guy. It's so weird. Let's check in pamphlet.
Pamphlet.
See in a pamphlet.
Even don't have.
Oh my goodness, guy! I don't know where this minifigure came from. It's not even in the pamphlet. See?
Now it's my turn, right?
See, guys, OMG. I don't know what kind of character is this. It's like a water droplet. Seriously.
Whoa!
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy my video. So, bye. Toodles. Hopefully you see my video tomorrow. I'm gonna open the fear surprise egg. I mean, sadness surprise egg. So, see my mother over there? She's just cutting her finger out. So, toodles. Bye.